Welcome, in front of me I have Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how you can add the account to Google Play Store. So at the first you have to tap on the Play Store, and then you have to click right here and click to add another account. Let's use your verification method. In my case it was the fingerprint sensor, and as you can see we are in the next window, and there is some kind of bug because here we have to get the poll where we can input our code, but let's click next. Okay, as you can see here we got the error that we have to input an email. So let's input your mail, then you have to click next and input the password in this poll. So I'm going to make it right now. And as you can see, when we input our password, we have to click next, tap that we agree, and as you can see right now, we can easily use and switch between the accounts on the Play Store. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.